Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share a great tool called InVideo that lets you to make YouTube videos without showing your face or even using a camera. If you feel shy or just want to stay behind the scene, this is perfect for you. Before we start, don't forget to check the description below. I put links there so you can try InVideo for free and get the latest update or tutorials. Okay, so what is InVideo? It's an online video editor that gives you lots of templates and tools to make videos using picture, text and music, all from your computer or phone. You don't need a fancy camera or even a microphone if you don't want to speak. Let's say you want to make a video about travel, tech or cooking. You just pick a template and add some photos or videos and write your text and choose the background music. InVideo also has a text-to-speech feature. So if you want to voice over but don't want to record your voice, it can read your script in a natural voice for you. It's really simple to use even if you don't have any video editing expertise. You can add animations, transition, sticker and even change color and fonts to make your video look professional. Also, the video you make are ready to upload directly to YouTube, Instagram or Facebook. One thing I love is that InVideo has a huge library of stock video and photos. You can use it for free. So you don't have to worry about finding pictures or clips. You can create videos for reviews, explanations or anything where you don't have to be on camera. This is really helpful if you want to make lots of content fast or if you want to keep your personal life private. If you want to try it out, again check the description below. I have put the free sign up link for you. And that's all for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.